Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how you can set and achieve your TikTok live goal. Some people don't know how to set a live goal on TikTok. Others feel disappointed when they set their live goals and they fail to achieve them. So keep the video to the end because each step is helpful. Now as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now let's get started. Now while going live on TikTok, you press on the plus button down below. Now guys, after reaching this page, you're going to scroll this side and then press on live. Then guys, to set a live goal on TikTok, you're going to press up here. You're going to press up here on set a live goal. Make sure I watch this video to the end because each step is helpful, especially those who don't know how to set a live goal and those who don't achieve their TikTok live goals. Now guys, you can take a look here. TikTok added more options for your live goal. You can now add up to 3 gifts on your live goal on TikTok, as you can see right here. Then guys, press on OK. Now guys, you're going to press here. You're going to press here on plus gift. You're going to press there and then you add another gift. As you can see guys, here are many gifts and you are free to choose any gift as your TikTok live goal. So I'm going to choose this donut. I'm going to choose this donut. After pressing on it, I'm going to customize. I'm going to customize it. And so guys, I'm going to enter the amount of donuts I would like to be as my live goal. So I'm going to enter 9 donuts. Then after I press on confirm. After pressing on confirm, you press on confirm again right here. Then guys, after pressing on confirm, you can see I have 2 live gifts. I have 2 live gifts as you can see as my TikTok live goals. I have a rose and I have a donut as you can see right here and right here. So after guys, I'm going to add these 2 as my TikTok live goal gifts. So I'm going to press on confirm. After you press on confirm, as you can see guys, the live goal is added. My live goal is added. But note this guys, if you want to achieve your live goal, you need more viewers on your TikTok live, because we all know more viewers are more TikTok live gifts. The more you get more viewers, the more you get gifters. So you should make sure that you share live, you encourage your viewers to share the live so that you can get more TikTok live viewers and then you get more gifts. Another thing guys, if you want to achieve your TikTok live goal, you should pin your goal every 5 minutes of your live. After 5 minutes of your live, pin your live goal and talk about it. Ask your viewers to gift you so that you can achieve your TikTok live goal. That's how you can set and achieve your TikTok live goal. Don't forget to subscribe guys and like the video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.